What do you want to say? Sige na.
Because ayaw niya let down ako by myself.
Kasi daw baka madulas ka.
I'm not sleeping.
Paano pag nag-slide ka, pababa?
I will call for help and you will not love me first. First you need to wash your arms and then wipe with towel before you touch me. Before you touch me.
Okay.
You must wash your hands and then wipe and then hold me if I fell. Can you tell Mama all and then can you tell her everything?
Okay. But you can ask her also. You tell her. So that she can understand.
Can I also send it to Daddy?
Oh, don't cry na.
Mommy will give me some food. Your biscuit mo, yung chocolate biscuit mo, Mommy. Will give me some, please.
What?
Mama, I don't like me to go down by myself.
Why?
Because I'm slowly lang, but ayaw na. Because slowly lang ako, easy lang ako. I don't know how to go down na. I will stay here na lang. And pag-carry na lang ako.
You want to go down? You want to learn how to go down all by yourself?
Yeah, I want to learn to go down all by myself.
Oh, just careful, syempre, when you go down.
Because I want to learn how to go down all by myself.
Oh, you ask Mama. You ask Mama.
Please, can you say to Mama, Cassie's trying to learn how to go down. So, can you tell it, Mommy, please?
Okay.
Thank you, Mommy. Mom, can I tell Mama which warden so you can send it?
Want to say you're trying to?
I'm trying to learn how to go down.
You're not scared to go down?
Yup, I'm brave.
You're brave?
Opo.
Are you sure?
Yup, opo.
Oh, you ask Mama all go that you can do it all by yourself.
Mommy,
now.
can you get Mommy gana?
No. You ask something. I will send to Mama also that she can understand. Come on.
What can I tell Mama? Oh,
Come in here.